right? So the fourth one is identifier, guys. Identifier, right? So what is identifier? What is identifier? Generally, we use this word identifier, identify, identification, right? So what does it mean? What does it mean? What is the meaning of identify? What is the meaning of identify? Tell me now, guys. You can give a reply in the chat box. What is the meaning of identify, identification, like that? Generally, we use that word, right? Identify, identification. What does it mean? It's nothing but recognize some person, right? Recognize some person or place, whatever it is, recognizing, right? So for that purpose, what we have? We have the names. We have the names to recognize the other person. That names are called identifiers. Whatever we use to identify a person or an object, that is called identifier. Means the names of human being, the names of animals, the names of cities, the names of countries, the names of fruits. These all names are called what here? Are called identifier. Okay, so identifier is a name which is used to identify an object. Identify an object. Subject wise, to identify the functions names, the variables names, the classes names, the arrays names, right? So these all names are called what here? Identifiers. Because we have the five variables. Five variables. To identify a variable, we give the one name. That name is called over here what here? Identifier. Or 10 functions are there. Out of 10 functions, I want to use one function. Then we use the name of the function. Name of the function. Or five classes are there. I want to call one class. How to call the one class? By using that name. By using that name. So names are called what here? Identifiers. Identifiers. Okay. For example, imagine names are not there. Names are not there. Then how to identify an object? Imagine names are not there. So suppose you're going to hometown. Okay, in the hometown, somebody asking, what are you learning? What are you doing in Hyderabad? At that time, what do you say? If you go some distance, one city is there. Okay, and in the city, one area is there. In that area, one building is there. In that building, one office is there. In that office, one person is there. That person teaching one subject. That subject I'm learning. Right? Any clarity is there? No clarity. In other way, names are there. What do you say? In Hyderabad, in Ameerpet, in Balaji Towers, Narayana House is there. In the Narayana House, Narayana teaching Python, I'm learning Python. Right? See how much difference is there with the name, without names, with identifier, without identifier. Right? So identifier is used to identify an object. Which course you are learning? Python course. Python course. Who is teaching Python? Narayana. What is institute name? Narayana Tech House. So for everything we have a name. Okay. So here to give the name, there are some rules, guys. There are some rules to give the name. There are some rules. Generally, in our home, a mother give birth to child, right? Okay. So then actually the mothers don't have a right to give the proper name to the child nowadays. Why? They go to one temple, they meet one priest, and they tell about this boy born so and so day, so and so time, like that. Then that priest, by seeing some books, and says that give the name starts with the K, starts with L, starts with M, starts with A, B, like that. Then whatever is the letter, on that we think about what name is better, what name is better. You can't take own name letter, right? So here also we follow some rules. What rules means? What rules means? First one, the name should be combination of lowercase characters, uppercase characters, next digits and underscores, underscores, that's all. The name should be, means identifier should be the combination of lowercase, uppercase, digits and underscores. Okay. Next one. The name can contain the digits at any place, but not in the beginning. Means identifier should not start with what here? Not start with what here? Digit. Not starts with the digit. You can have the digit anywhere except the beginning place. But underscores are possible anywhere, either beginning, either ending, either middle also, anywhere, any number of underscores possible, right? So third one is any number of underscores anywhere. Anywhere means either beginning, ending, wherever it's possible. Next, fourth one is the identifier should not contain the space. Space should not be there. Suppose I'm taking like variable name, for example, my first name equal to suppose Python. I am giving like this. It is not possible. The space not possible. No space, right? That's why. So spaces are not allowed. Which one? Spaces are not allowed. Okay. If you want, you underscores like this. Right? Okay. Underscores, right? You underscores, but not the spaces. At the same time, don't give the any special character. Only underscores possible. Remaining special characters means like which one? Dollar symbol or ampersand, like that they're not possible. Dollar, ampersand, or at the rate, opening bracket, star, not possible. Plus minus also not possible, right? That means what here? Fifth one, special characters are not allowed. Or not, which one? Special characters are not allowed except underscore. Remember, except underscore, remaining special characters are not allowed. And one more is there. Suppose I cannot use a Python keyword as a identifier. I cannot use a Python keyword as a identifier. Like suppose I am giving pass equal to, pass is a Python keyword. You cannot use here. You can give my pass, no problem, because my pass not a Python keyword, but only pass Python keyword, right? So don't use the Python keywords as a which one identifier. You can give pass one or my pass. Okay, no problem. But only keyword as it is not possible. Let's take for example, class is there. Python class keyword is there. Not possible. Take the class one, possible. Take class S again, possible. But not keyword as it is not possible. So which one here? Keywords are not allowed as a identifier. Which keywords? Only Python keywords not allowed. Suppose let's take where is there. Where in Python, where is not there. The where may be in SQL but not in Python. So it's possible where select group by having, they are possible. Why? They are not Python keywords. They are not Python keywords. Means only Python keywords not possible. Remaining we can use. So Java is there. Java keywords, yes, we can use it. In Java, private is there. Public is there. We can use, no problem. Because private, public not in Python. Okay. So like this, we have some rules to write the a name in the Python, guys. These all rules apply for what? Variables names. Variables names only. Okay. Some people, they asked me previously, like one question they asked me. One of this concept over, the next day, some students came and said that here, same one. My first name equal to, he wrote here, suppose Python, right? Space Narayana, for example. I am giving for example, guys. Narayana like this and like this. Sir, here space I am giving, sir. Any error? No error. I am giving space. As per your rules, space not allowed. But I am giving space, sir, here. Any problem? No problem. These are all rules for what here? Variables, not for the values. These rules for the variables only. Variables names, class names, functions names, arrays names only, not for the values. Suppose I am using here Python. Suppose let's take @Narayana. Yes, possible. Here I given the point. Special characters are not allowed. It's apply for what? Variable names, not for the values. Okay. So in values, give anything, no problem, but not as a identifier name. Right? So it's about what, guys, here? Identifier. Identifier. I given just 3 points on this one. The same I show you practically the next session. Okay. All of let me know, guys. Any doubts are there here? Any doubts, guys? All of you? All of you guys? All of you? So if you like this concepts, guys, please subscribe our channel, Narayana Tech House, so that when you start the session, you get the notification immediately. Because today I send you message in the WhatsApp groups, right? You got the message, you joined. Okay, so if you subscribe, then when you start the link live, you get the notification automatically, guys. And please share the video also to your friends and like this video also, so that I can get give more concepts on Python. Okay, so all of you guys, if any doubt is there, please give in chat box, guys. I give the reply for all the doubts. Muhammad Riaz, sir, can you write all uppercase, sir? Yes, possible. Suppose observe now. Observe here. I'm taking here. I'm taking now name equal to, suppose Python Narayana. Name equal to Python Narayana. All uppercase possible. But while using the variable, we should use all uppercase only again, because Python case is 2, right? That's why while using suppose print of, we should write all uppercase only again. Write all uppercase only like this. Print of name, then name will display. While using the variable, if you write a small case, like you are writing, for example, name like this, then it will give you error. Why? In Python, capital A, small a, not same, both are different. Both are different. That's why if you write the small letters name, it says that this name is not defined anywhere. This name is this variable not defined anywhere. So it gives the name error. Which error? It gives name error. Name error, guys. Why? We define the name with capital letters, but you're using the name with small letters. So displays a name error. You can write all uppercase, all lowercase also possible. The identifier names.